backed by a 50-member highly skilled R&D team. Our facility is equipped with over 100 high-precision CNC machines, including imported equipment DMG Mori, Fennec, 5-axis, 4-axis, 3-axis, CNC centers, CNC turning and milling complex machines, Swiss-type automatic lathe, slow wire cutting, surface grinder, medium wire cutting, ID and OD grinding, turning and milling. Products undergoes strict quality control with CMM coordinate measuring machine, height gauges and projectors, etc. Adhering to ISO 9001 standards, ensuring flawless precision and superior reliability. Leveraging AI-driven automation, MOM FMS, we achieved 24 hours, 7 days. Automated manufacturing, optimizing productivity and reducing lead times. We focus on CNC machining parts, fixtures, module assembly, and automation equipment solutions. Intelligent tooling management solutions improves utilization rates while significantly reducing logistical workloads. We cater to a wide range of production needs, from high-mix low-volume orders to small batch and large-scale production. Our components are used across diverse industries, including medical, semiconductors, optoelectronics, new energy, aerospace, and automation.